Hey everybody, welcome back. Roasted garlic. That's right, that's what we're making today. We're actually roasting our own garlic. So this is really easy to do. What you're going to need is a full garlic bulb. And we're going to take this, we're basically going to cut a little bit of the top off. You want all the garlic exposed. And we're going to put it in a garlic roaster. So you actually need one of these. I'll put a link down in the description if you don't know where to get one, but it's a garlic roaster. Now, what we're going to do is put some salt in the bottom. Now, you don't have to crush your own salt if you don't want to, but we're crushing our own. It actually, a lot of recipes call for kosher salt. So basically, put it over salt. You're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Just drizzle a little bit over the top. And I like to top with a little more salt, not too much. And then we cover. And the garlic roaster does all the work. We barely have to do anything here. So we're going to put this in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. Now, key disclaimer right here. When you get a garlic roaster, read the directions because this is ceramic and you don't want to put it in there the way it is. You're going to basically put this in the sink in a bowl of water for about 10 minutes and basically let it absorb the water. That way it doesn't burn and crack. So anyways, this is ready to go. We're going to put it in the oven for 1 hour at 350. All right, there we go, in the oven, 1 hour, and we'll be right back in an hour. All right, 1 hour. We got our garlic roaster. We're gonna take this lid off here. Take a look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. Looks like garlic. Now if you like it a little more done, you can actually cook it a little longer, but I think these are going to be just perfect. Let's see. Oh yeah, those are nice and moist. Nice and tender. What we're going to do is get one of these out of here. Trying to be gentle. Normally I wouldn't be this gentle. I would just tear it apart. But I want to take this clove out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at how nice and moist that is. Nice and tender. Now you can use this after you've roasted garlic. You can use this, you could put it on toast. You could put it on a cracker, which is what I'm going to try right now. I'm just going to put a little on a cracker. You could cook with this any way you cook garlic. If you use minced garlic in something, fresh roasted garlic is perfect. So let's try a little garlic on a cracker. This stuff is amazing. Had it before, so. Wow. Wow. There is nothing like fresh roasted garlic on a cracker or bread or in any dish you want to make. This stuff is amazing. As you can see, this was super easy to do. All you need is a garlic roaster, an oven, 350, and 1 hour. You're pretty much good. I appreciate you stopping. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Share this video with a friend. Thanks for stopping. Have a great day now.